Grand Rising. Grand Rising on this bloody Friday morning. Should be a wild, crazy day here today. All right. All systems are a go, I believe. All systems are a go. Started off with a nice gambly gambler sense. And we won. All right. Let's do first things first. Let's go over the limit orders. Price limits here. So as we know, the market is down quite a bit. Let's check out the limit downs for the different prop firms here. So we're trading the micros, and we're trading the M2025 contract, which is this one. Yeah, so reference price. Reference price 5432.5 times 0.95, 5160.875. Fifty-one 60.875 is our 5% limit down. And then, so the 7% limit down. $55 4.75. Which will be 7%. Just go ahead and zoom out here. See what transpired. We just hit last year's value area low. Interesting. Man, this is not good. I think my camera's fucked up. I'm dropping it all over the place. Okay. So we've got seven minutes until market open. We hit a pretty big downside level. I could see us probably having up for the rest of the day. We do have quite a bit to look out for here, though, from a news perspective. We've got, so we had our employment data come out. Go ahead and update. See all these previous quarter, previous month levels are way out of the picture right now. We can update our weekly range though. All right, weekly range. Let's bring that down. Yeah, next target around 53.52. We'll see how we play at the open, but I'm expecting probably a long back up into this level, at least right now. We've got
order.
Just getting logged in to everything here. Get the Ninja Trader up. We're gonna make this a good day today. Yep, it's gonna be a good day today. No matter what. Pivot, naked pivot, all the way up there. Regular trading hours. There's our RTH close. All the way back up at 54.33. So yeah, overnight opened right here. So we plummeted 3.89%. And we have regained roughly 2%. So pretty good bounce here. It happened actually an hour before the news. So that would have been a risky one. $15-minute did come up into this imbalance and then liquidity grab and inverted candle turned around. We are trading at the current session value area low right now. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Got 1, 2, 3. Yeah, I could see a little bit of a reversal at the open. Maybe come down to 52.50 at the moment. Let's see. Yeah, let's bring it down to this order block in here. Take these lows. Want to see that. Otherwise, well, let's look for another that retest up there. VWAP right here. I need to check out the NASDAQ limit down levels. So NASDAQ micro, we're trading the M2025. M2025 is, well, this one. So our reference point is 18675.5 times 0.95, so 17741. Oh, that NASDAQ might be a little bit more tricky today if it comes down. Probably could hit the 17741.725 is 5% limit down. 7% limit down is 17,379. Which is 7%. 7% limit down. Then NQ. All right. So not interested in anything here. If we get a move down to 52.50, I could be interested in the long. Could be. Let's adjust our overnight levels here. Overnight low coming in at 52.1075, and the overnight high coming in somewhere around here. Yeah. 54.35. So massive overnight range. And then massive RTH gap here. So big time Bera. So a big thing to look out for the rest of the day is Fed speak. We got Fed Chair Powell's 11:25. I figure that's going to move the market. It's going to keep the market probably a little bit liquid and volatile. I don't know what he's speaking about. Due to speak about the economic outlook of the Society for Advancing Business Editing and Writing annual conference in Arlington, Texas. Oh, how about that? So, who knows what he'll say, but anything that he says will be meticulously analyzed and watched. So, we got a lot of volume here at 52.93. All right. We've hit a pretty big low, literally last year's value area low, big volume level. So it'll be interesting to see if we just trade through it continuously. We're trading in this wick now. Get rid of this. Yeah, I think we hit a pretty big level. So if we get a long out of here, I think we could squeeze up probably pretty good. So we're gonna be watching this here like a hawk. 52.50. $52.50, baby. Gold is coming down. Gold making kind of an ugly weekly candle. Starting to look like it might want to come down and retest 3,000. Even lower. Did that liquidity grab from yesterday and creating an inverted hammer. Ruh-roh. I mean, it's still got some of this gap left to fill. It's in just a range. If it comes up back at the top of the range, maybe look for a short opportunity here. No. On gold, that is. All right, here we go. On ES, coming down to these levels. Okay, we're at target. Start looking for any signs of strength. Or if we just trade through it. Okay, getting a pretty good reaction so far.
Order submit. Order filled.
Wow. Yeah, that's the spot. Ain't it? Wow. How about that? Fucking wow. That's the spot, ain't it? Alright, let's see if it's just a silly joke though. And let's see what it wants to do here on any pullbacks. I could see us moving pretty sharply out of here. I know. It's quite volatile, bro. But right here we're hitting a possible target.
Order filled.
Lots of volatility. We got JPAL speaking in 1125. Yeah, these invalidation points are pretty heavy.
Order filled. Order filled.
All right. So either we come up from here or we're stopped out. But I think this is a good level here. A strong level. As I was been speaking about all morning. We hit last year's value area low overnight. So we're coming right into this block. Take some off at 52.88 if it don't want to get too greedy though, eh?
Order submitted. Order submitted.
Oh, come on, baby. Squeeze, baby. Run it up. Run it up. Oh, this would be perfect. Perfect juicy mama sins if it moves. She's got to move. She's moving, though. She's grooving. There we go. Push it, baby. Come on. Hit that target. Get 2 of those contracts off.
Order canceled.
Took 1 off. Fuck.
Order canceled.
Taking 2 off. I've got 2 left. Let it ride. Let these ride. Solid trade to start the morning off. Let's go, baby. Let's go. Huge time. All right, so this is first target. Just gonna trail this, but target up here really. I mean, probably above the highs, but 53.50. Come on, let's get some strong continuation here. So come on. I already moved my stop loss up to 52.65, so
submitted.
Looks like we might get stopped out. Hold it strong. Oh, it's got a bounce right here. Oh, nearly hit my stop loss. Oh my god, it did the kiss of death. Oh yeah, okay. Let's get some continuation here, baby. It's Friday. Oh, fuck. That reminds me. Well, I can't play it out loud, but I can throw it in the chat for the boys. Everybody knows what day it is. Hold on. Come on. Yeah, it looks like it doesn't want to give us a continuation right now, so we'll see if we get stopped out, and then we'll just have to reevaluate, see what's going on in the 419ers. Gold. If we get an alert right there, maybe be interested. Check it. Riding down the EMA. We're about to get. It's giving us the kiss of death. Come on, baby. Point of control has shifted to 2272. So we are building volume right here. There we go. There we go. Big time. Big time. Keep it moving. Keep it grooving. Let's go, baby. It's fucking Friday, baby. Come on. Ain't no reason to close it yet. Getting 15-second candle closures. Just doesn't want to give me the full cheese yet, eh? Doesn't want to give the rat its cheese, huh? Come on. The downtrend is still strong then, I suppose. Got lots of selling pressure still coming through.
Order canceled.
Alright, well. Still big time trade there. We'll take it. We'll take it. Alright, readjust, reassess. I guess it looks like we're still going to continue some downside. Unless it was just coming to get my stop so that it could continue higher. But this 15-minute candle, liquidity grab, wicked out of supply. Don't want to be shorting right here, but looking like it now wants to take the low. But it's going to be a bit tough with Powell speaking and shit. Well, it won't be for another hour. Oh, how's our friend Bitcoin doing? Check on Mr. Bitty Bitty. So unfortunately it hit where, oh, of course, we'll wait for this hourly candle to close. Hit this target up there. We'll see if it comes back up above. If it comes back up to retest that 84,400 level, we can try it out. But it's still, I did front run the gap a bit, so I could be some resting liquidity for another move up. Came back into range. Yeah, so we'll monitor this level. On Bitcoin. That means on perps. How's it look? Yeah, trading right into here beautifully. So if we could get like a boom, that would be nice. A boom. If we could get a boom, that would be lovely. Oh my goodness gracious. Of course. Should have never moved my stop loss. Right? Hindsight's 2020. But we're about to get a 4-hour candle closure. And this is gonna continue up, isn't it? See what happens here as the 4-hour candle closes. The volatility is there. Gold coming down to new lows, filling the gap, coming down to fill it fully, taking out yesterday's low, coming into some untapped value area high, possible long opportunity out of there, scalp long, which should also be prior week equilibrium at 336.6.2. So we are getting buy pressure out of here now. Alright, ES just too volatile right now. Golds here. Mr. Gold. Mr. Gold, how are you doing, Mr. Gold? Is there anything we can do for you? Any accommodations, kind sir? Mr. Gold. Mr. Gold coming down into its golden pockets. Very interesting, Mr. Gold. Let's see where these volume levels are. What about our VWAP? A bit lower for you, buddy, eh? Let's see if you get a bounce out of 36.6. 36.6.1. Previous week equilibrium points, as well as a retest of the prior week high. So let's get a little alert there, and then we'll see if we get any order flow shifts. That would be the next trade opportunity. Otherwise, for now on, I have a feeling that the equity indexes might be a bit choppy here until the afternoon now. Until after J. Powell speaks and the lunchtime bonanza. That's what it's looking like. No way! I rolled a 99. Which is like 100x. Shit, I got tons of points. That's crazy. Alright, only thing I'm interested in right now is gold. There it is. Coming up to our levels here. To my level, I suppose. See if we get any reaction out of here. Probably at least something minor. Ah, it's really annoying that my camera is getting all fucked up. It's flickering. Wow, so already moved up 5 points from that touch. But nothing, no confirmation here yet. Gosh, oil, holy cow, whoa, how have I not even touched on oil yet? Holy wola mole ole. Gosh. Guys, gas prices are coming down. Sheesh. Wow, what a massive move. Well, can't touch that. That's probably in limit down territory for sure. Goodness gracious. Sheesh. God, those are... How late does this CL contract go? Wow. These are lows that haven't been broken since 2021. Massive. This thing is moving back down to 50s. Yep. Oil's coming down. Gas prices are coming down. That is just obvious now. Alright, so we broke our first little test of supply. Let's see how we trade off this order block here. to get some AFKing going, huh? Let me get some AFK. Alright, ES. So ES actually coming down now. Searching for new lows, searching for some dignity. Alright, she's coming down the mountain where she comes. So it looks like we might actually get some new lows here. See if we have any divergences forming. A reminder that at 51.61 we'll be at a 5% limit down. So it looks like some prop firms will consider that a no trade zone. Retest of last year VAL. 75% of this range. So just waiting around still. 1 hour and 10 minutes until Mr. Jerome Palzoni speaks. Bitcoin, just waiting to see if we get a retest up here for another short. Not really interested in anything at the middle of the range. Oil, not even touching because it's limited down right now, but massive move over the week. Gold, we were looking maybe to see if we get a reaction here. We didn't get any confirmation, so this is continuing down. So no, next level would be 3046.1, which is a naked daily point of control. That should pop up here. Maybe it won't. So it's showing up that it's right here. Either way, we've got this volume node here. Just call it a daily MPSC. So that'd be the next area of interest on gold here. Nasdaq just not really touching today with the volatility, and it's getting close to that limit down. ES I find a little bit more clean. Set an alert for it to take the low. But realistically, where are some other downside targets? I mean, we're trading within this weekly wick. So if we break that up into quartiles, you can see we bounced off of 0.5, 0.75 would bring us back down to about 51.75. Weeks. Could see some sort of short out of here, down there, but really, realistically, not the smartest of moves after going down so far and being at some pretty big support levels. And so not to treat it as a scalp, but could get something down here actually. 5-minute building a pretty decent swing low formation to move back up into here. So we'll just watch this leg. Nothing crazy's popping up at me yet that I want to be involved in. Okay, 5-minute creating a hammer, coming back in above the previous week equilibrium on gold. Probably be a little bit of a trap though. And I will always love you. Wow, rates have come down below 4%. Nice. Well positioned for that. VIX, holy titties. VIX got all the way up to 45. Now we haven't seen that in a while. Check and see how these other. Oh man, Nvidia just kerplunking. Oh, sometimes you love to see the blood in the streets, baby. Actually, we could take a look at. Wow. If you're looking just at the index and these RTH caps forming, I mean, this is fucking bearish. So we are actually getting a bounce out of here. Ripperonis, call me Frank Pepperstone. Goodness gracious. But yeah, this is about time. Let's tank it all the way down. 4,600. Back down into here. I mean, that's pretty reasonable. It moved fucking 50% in a year or two. Let's get an alert if it comes back up 100 points. The question is, do I want a long here on gold? a fan of just this liquidity grab. I do like this low here. So let's see, 3068.5. Let's see.
Order submitted.
Possible like long in this gap, tight stop. A bit of a scalp opportunity like this on gold. Yeah, equity is just not doing much right now. Looks like they're waiting for Mr. Jerome Palzoni to speak Aroni.
Order filled. Stop filled.
Looks like we're about to take new lows. Take the overnight low from for ES. So see if we start getting some more action here. Nasdaq's about to hit 5% limit down. Going into Jay Palzoni's speakeronies. Alright. See what happens around here. So 40 points until ES hits the limit down 5161. The 5% limit down level. Woo! 64 mining, baby. Essentially just literally bounced off 5200, the psychological hold number. So there could be some demand. Got a bit of a divergence forming here. Nice 3-minute candle and a 5-minute candle forming. Not really my most favorite level. See how some of these other stocks are doing. Nvidia Ooh, this looks like a distribution if I've ever seen one. All the way back down to 50. Tank it, why not? I won't be mad. Let's look at Mara again. Mar-a-Lago, Mara Holdings. Yeah, this is coming to it. Let's see where Nvidia can go though. So let's start off on the yearly chart. Oh man, that's crazy. So Nvidia just came up and wicked last year. Oh, this thing could come down to 50. Already coming down below equilibrium of last year. That's insane. I'm gonna be looking for this fractal. And then 6 months. Yeah, I mean, we take this low too. We've shifted order flow on a high time frame. You could be looking for, you know, boom. Quarterly. We're in demand right now. We already tested it though. You can always test it again, but is the most important right now. This level at 85. Yeah, this is going to be a big level coming up, 88, 85 on Nvidia. Come take this low. I think, you know, it could go like something like this, and then like that, kind of creating a head and shoulders. All right, here comes ES. ES will be coming down the mountain, not around it, when she comes. Wow, we might actually hit the limit down here. Oh, we got gold coming down too. We're coming down across the board. She's coming down downtown. Might have an opportunity here for a long on gold because we won't have to worry about limit down on that. Or will we actually? Might actually have to. ES though is coming down. Let me check here on. I guess would it be under metal? Yeah. Micro gold 31. 3121.7. $2,965. Fine on gold at the moment. Okay, here we go. Wow, we are moving, boys. Oh, I love to see it. I love when the market just crashes for some reason. Love to see it. Oh, we're getting alerts all over the place. Alright. Let's see how this trades, though. Nothing is safe right now. Hide your wife, hide your kids. I'm not touching anything at the moment. Nothing to be touched at the moment. Literally ES hitting 5% limit down level and continuing. No reason to give any gains back. There we go. SPX is taking a new low. Tell me when it hits -2. Quite a bounce there on gold. Off the naked point of control. Alright, got a pretty big bounce off of that 5% limit down level on ES, and then NASDAQ hit 5% limit down. Gold, beautiful bounce off that negative point of control. We missed that right there. Probably wow, we're gonna get a nice inverted hammer there. Oil, Bitcoin, not much. Still looking for a move up there. Alright, this might be a reversal area for ES. Although in 35 minutes we have J Powell speaking. So I'm sure the liquidity on the books has been wiped at the moment. I think the best bet right now is gold for a trade. Wow, fucking A, man. We missed that one. We literally had this marked out. Alright, we're gonna have to
Order submitted. Order submitted.
let's see if we get a bit of a retracement here. Right here. And could get one order in, I guess, right there. But then MES, see if we flip this order block. But pretty strong reaction off of 5161. We're getting a little bit of a retracement here. Come on.
Order filled.
See if we get a long opportunity up to like 30.80. Just below it. ES is coming back into range. Off that limit down. Wow, NASDAQ, a fucking 230 point bounce. Insane. Insane. Pretty much just trying to see if we can get some continuation on this gold. Trying to reclaim the previous week value area high.
Order filled.
Damn, look at ES. Evil Bob. Quite the reaction here. And gold as well. Yes, baby. Okay, we're back in action. Come on.
Order canceled.
Wow, what a bounce.
Order filled.
All right. Pretty good morning session for me, actually. Good Friday so far. Gonna call it quits for the morning. Hopefully get another trade or two in the afternoon. But Jerome Pelzoni is speaking at 11:25. I don't know how long he's speaking, but that coupled with London closing, coupled with liquidity being pulled from the books, coupled it with being Friday, and then also lunchtime, probably best to just sit on the hands. So I'm going to call it quits there. Thanks for joining. I'll probably be streaming later tonight, but RuneScape. So I look forward to that, but much love.